drill the hole, punch down, drop the camera down, you can see the crucifix.
Wow.
There you go.
Perfect. I really couldn't imagine, because I have been the team's biggest skeptic. I was kind of prepared of finding just a stone. For me, it has been an amazing experience, I must say.
The team were completely dwarfed by the mysterious object, which is about 60 meters in diameter and lying almost 80 meters down on the bottom of the Baltic Sea. There are visible formations on top of the object which are set at a 90-degree angle and look like passageways or walls, as well as something that looks like it could be a staircase.
The Baltic Sea anomaly is an anomaly in the best sense of the term. It is a 70-meter-long object, with numerous sharp edges and right angles prevalent throughout its structure, with a set of stairs on one side, as if deployed from its shape and left to ruin. Sonar has also found drag marks behind the object. Samples have confirmed it is made of metal. Geologist Steve Weiner said that according to his tests, the object was not a geological formation, suggesting that the structure was in fact made from metals which nature could not reproduce itself. Electrical equipment also has mysterious issues when near to the anomaly. Professional diver Stefan Hagerborn, part of the OceanX team, said, "Anything electric out there, and the satellite phone as well, stopped working when we were above the object. Then when we got away about 200 meters, it turned on again." Lindberg isn't convinced that the object is actually an ET spacecraft. In response to one question about what the object might be, Lindberg responded, "I think it is very odd in its shape. It is tough to give an explanation as to what it might be exactly, since different scientists have many different theories. Whatever it is something we do not usually find in nature." Sitting in the dark, cold depths of the Baltic Sea, it is thought to be over 140,000 years old. OceanX is currently investigating the object.
A NASA satellite passes over the shallow waters of the Indian Ocean. It sends back images of a chain of largely submerged objects running between Sri Lanka and India.
It looks like a string of pearls between two islands.
It looks to me like a rocky jetty, but this thing looks pretty big.
On closer analysis of the satellite image, investigators calculate the line of rocks is over 30 miles long. What makes the image especially intriguing is that the rocks are in an area of sea mentioned in an ancient Hindu poem. A poem which also refers to a magic bridge.
They're Hindu legends that the god Rama placed a bridge here connecting India to Sri Lanka.
The stones in the satellite image are sitting on something oceanographers call a shoal or sandbar.
These occur in an area where there's shallow waters, and sand could accumulate between the two land masses.
The sandbar may be natural, but what's sitting on top of it is not.
This isn't just a simple sandbar. There's objects in here that haven't been eroded away.
There are stones that have been brought from afar and set on top of our sandbar island chain.
How these stones got here is a mystery. And when a team of geologists date the stones, the mystery deepens.
The rocks on top of the sand actually predate the sand. So there's more to the story.
Scientific analysis reveals the rocks are 7,000 years old, but are sitting on top of sand that is only 4,000 years old. These results suggest the structure in the satellite image isn't natural, but built by humans. Some scholars believe the ancient texts refer to a time 5,000 years ago. At this point in history, building such a long bridge would have been a superhuman achievement.